Ayan guys, so ano muna kami. Biyahe na muna kami sa Raleigh, Durham. Here?
You park here, it's fine.
Your destination is on the left.
Yes, we got you.
Ayan, so kain muna kami dito sa Crackle Barrel. So almost 1 hour din ako
Turn off your light.
Ayan, so this is our third times na pumunta dito sa Crackle Barrel. Ay, may dama. Diba? Same, pare-pareho sila ng ng design. Thank you.
I want it for I want it.
Ayan, so continue na kami magda-drive punta sa Raleigh, Durham. Zero car there. Ayan, so nagpahinga muna tayo dahil si Daddy naman magda-drive, naggasolina. Ayan, so ako nag-drive galing dun sa kinainan namin katapos naggasolina. So mga 45 minutes, meron pang natitirang 30 minutes para papunta sa Raleigh.
Okay, here's our Bob Evans. That's where we ate breakfast that morning, remember? Oh, there's a BJ's here. TJ Maxx, a Ross's.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Ayan, dito kami sa Courtyard again, Marriott guys. Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa Marriott. Papark ko lang tong car na to. Saan kaya pwede mag-park? So first time natin mag-parking. Hindi naman sa first time kundi sa hotel. I think dito tayo parking guys. Ooh. Ooh. Diba? Ah! Perfect. I-check na natin. Perfect guys. Ayan. Ito lang dala namin kasi bukas naman babalik kami. Diba, Marriott na naman kami. $250. Up. Okay. We're in. Na kami. Safe. Ayan, ito yung hotel. O diba, ang ganda ng kitchen. Parang pag ganito ang may condo ka sa Manila, perfect. Diba? Office na kagad si Daddy. So may TV siya. And then, same yung dati, naalala nyo, yung pagdating ko pa lang. O diba? Gamitin natin. Pak, ganun. Ang problema naman guys, wala namang bidet. Kakaloka. Ayan, so dito lagay natin mga damit natin. Di ba yung bed? Perfect. Ayan, ito yung mga toiletries namin. Tapos some of the medicine. Tapos ito lang. Kunti lang yung damit kasi 1D lang kami dito. Tapos bukas uwi na. Drive na naman ng bayot. Ayan, so ano muna natin ito? Hanger. Nakakapagod din mag-travel, kakaloko. Ayan, so ano tayo ng mga ito yung ulay, tapos shampoo, yung aking sa allergy, ay yung solution pala, tapos shampoo, and then yung ating toothbrush na di kuryente, tapos lip gloss, dito lang yan, o diba, tapos yung tayong sunblock, sandali naman, pang shade niya, tapos kanyang ano ba yan, suklay, and then ako di ko na dinala yung sa akin kasi very ano na yun, heavy, shade niya, mouthwash, toothpaste, maliit lang, tapos yun na diba? Yeah, both. So ayan, rest muna dahil mamaya papasyal kami sa city at doon kami mag-dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. This is the downtown.
Yep.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Oh,
In 900 feet, arrive at downtown.
What guys? May ano? Hey! Spanish bread!
what?
Spanish bread!
Not real. City?
Ayan guys, dito nga pala kami bumili. May pansit tsaka may dinuguan. Pa-close na sila 6 PM na abutan namin. Filipino. Wala siguro dragkoon dun ha. Ang mga di ugang. McDonald's si daddy. Tapos ako pansit and then Spanish bread. Diva. Perfect. Ayun guys, so uwi na kami. Ay, pupunta muna kami pag mag-biometric tapos uwi na. Ayan lang yung bagahe namin. Diba? Walang kalat. Yung basura. And then yung mga towel. Tinupi ko na rin dun sa may kanto. Diba? Sige, uwi na kami. Thank you. Ayan, so nagkamali ako. Akala ko nandun sa kabila yung ano, yung car. Dito pala. Ayan, ang ganda dito.
Okay, it's saying go right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Come back again. Ayun guys, so ang bilis lang mag-biometric at saka mag-take ng photo para sa green card at the same time yung authorization para makapag-work ako dito. And then it almost take how many minutes? 6 minutes?
6 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, 6 minutes kasi pumunta kami dito earlier than our schedule. So they are so very nice and good services. So pauwi na kami. Ayun si Daddy yung nag-aantay siya. So nandito kami sa rest area. Katapos umihitay ang ganda ng ano dito ng kanilang toilet. So ngayon ako yung magdadrive. Perfect. Yan. So kain muna kami. I like this spot. So dito kami sa ano, Applebee's. Oh, I drive 1.5 hours. Guys, so dito kami sa Applebee's para mag-lunch. Pang third time na namin to dito ngayon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, so tapos na kami kumain sa Applebee's at uwi na. 30 minutes na lang.
Follow their lead. Just do whatever they do.
You go straight, right?
Yeah, just follow them. Oh, there's...
There's nothing here. Where is it?
Oh, there he is over there. Coming back. You need to go up and do that flip back to get over there.
Hi guys. So ayan, we're safely home. Oh, gonna start here. So kakarating lang namin. Ayan, magpapark na muna ng bayot. Oh, someone. Where we can park? See this one?
Getting ready to paint our building probably.
What do you think?
Go ahead and park here, it'll be fine. We'll move it. Be right here in the morning and they're in the way.
Move it, move it.
Move that, move it.
Oh.
That's good. Drake, now go here. Good. You're good. Thank you.
Oh, let's check.
You don't have to be that perfect.
Okay.
Down here, ain't nobody. The visitor, we ain't got no visitors, so we have lots of parking spots.
Yeah. Ayan, nandito na kami.
Thanks be to Allah.
Yeah, thanks to Allah. We're safe.